Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're at the post office, a place where clear communication really matters, especially if you're sending something valuable or posting internationally. When you arrive at the counter, you'll often be asked, "How can I help you?" You might respond, "I'd like to send this letter, please," or "I need to post this parcel to Germany," or "I want to send this by recorded delivery." Let's talk about the different sending options. First class is faster, usually arriving the next working day. Second class is cheaper but slower, taking 2 to 3 working days. Recorded delivery is a tracked service where the recipient must sign for the item. And registered post is the most secure option, tracked at every stage and requiring a signature. When the post office worker weighs your item, they'll tell you the cost. If you're sending something valuable, you can add insurance. You might say, "I'd like to insure this for £100, please." Insurance means you'll receive compensation if the item is lost or damaged. It's always a good idea to ask for proof of postage, a receipt showing you sent the item. This is essential if anything goes wrong. You might say, "Could I have a proof of postage, please?" International post has extra requirements. You'll usually need to complete a customs declaration form, a document describing what's inside the parcel and its value. This is used by border officials in the destination country. Common items like gifts and personal goods have their own category. Some items, like batteries or certain liquids, are restricted or prohibited, meaning you can't send them. Today, we covered domestic sending options, insurance, proof of postage, and international customs requirements. The post office is much easier when you know the right vocabulary. See you next time.